Forget everything you knew about trading. You don't need complicated charts and constant stress to make money with crypto. I'll show you how to set up 5 tools on Bybit that can bring in up to $47 a day while you go about your life. All you need is a phone and 30 minutes of free time. Hit that like and subscribe if this sounds interesting. Let's go. We'll break this down using Bybit as an example. I didn't pick it randomly. It's one of the biggest exchanges in the world and the only top tier one where you don't feel lost from the very first click. Everything is in its place. Tons of coins, even more features, and yet it doesn't feel like you've stepped into an airplane cockpit. If you're not using Bybit yet, I left a link in the description. Plus, you'll find juicy bonuses there and a way to join our ecosystem, where we show the market without sugarcoating. Yesterday, I woke up $47 richer without lifting a finger. You're probably thinking, sure, another make money while lying down story. I'd think the same. But behind that number is a specific tool, not luck, not a scheme. On Bybit, it's called Earn or staking. You probably know how a bank deposit works. You put money in, the bank uses it, you get interest. Staking works the same way, only instead of a bank is the crypto market. And the interest, much nicer. Go to finance, earn, pick an asset, stablecoins, Bitcoin, or any coin that's just sitting idle, and enter the amount. Then comes one choice that makes a big difference. Flexible deposit, lower interest, but you can withdraw anytime. Fixed deposit, funds are locked for a term, but you earn more. What matters more right now, freedom or profit, that's up to you. But you'll have to decide, and that's it. Nothing else to do, but this is only the first tool, because there's a way to earn even if you don't understand the market at all. And this is where it gets more interesting. The second tool is copy trading. Imagine this. An experienced trader opens a position, and your account automatically does the same. You're not staring at charts, not hunting for entry points, not making any decisions. You just connect and watch your money move. It's perfect if you're not confident yet, but already want to be in the market. Because reading about trading is one thing. Seeing in real time why someone entered here and what came out of it is completely different. But here's where most people make a mistake right away and lose money. They look at a shiny profit for the last month and jump in. Then it turns out the trader had a minus 60% before and only just recovered. So the first thing to check is not profit, it's drawdowns. How deep the account went into the red, that tells you more about a person than any pretty result. And the last thing that removes most fears, control, is always in your hands. Don't like it? Stop. Want another trader? Switch, anytime, without losses. This isn't quick money, but it's a real way to be in the market, learn from live trades, and earn while someone else does the heavy lifting. To connect, go to Bybit, Tools, Copytrading. There you'll find a list of traders with stats. Pick one, connect. The system does the rest. And if you don't just want to copy trades, but actually start understanding why, there's a shortcut compared to years of self-study. In our trading chat, professionals break down the market in real time. Not just signals, but the logic. Why they entered here, why they exited there, what they saw on the chart at that moment. You watch the live thinking process of a trader and gradually start thinking the same way. The link is in the description under the video. The next tool is the trading bot. It does one thing, automatically buys a coin cheaper and sells it higher. Again and again, as long as the market moves. You set it up once and it runs on its own. The most important part, the bot works on spot trading. You're buying real assets, not trading with leverage. So even if the market suddenly crashes, there's no liquidation. Worst case scenario, you're left holding good coins at good prices and you just wait. How to set it up? Go to Bybit. Tools, trading bot. You'll see several options. Futures, martingale, grid bot, all of those carry liquidation risk. The one we need is the spot grid bot. Then 3 steps. Choose the coin, big assets. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP. If you want higher returns and are ready for risk, you can pick something smaller, but not below the top 100 by market cap on CoinMarketCap. Set the price range manually. Look at where the price spent most of its time in the last 30 days and set that range. There's an automatic mode, but better not to trust it. Set the number of grids. The more grids, the more often the bot trades and catches even small moves. Optimal is around 50, but that requires a bigger deposit. If your amount is smaller, go with 15. That's enough. Enter the amount, hit create, and that's it. And if the price goes outside your range, the bot simply stops. Here's where most people break down. Knowing is one thing. Using it correctly, completely different. That's why I run a Telegram channel. I explain the market, show traders approaches, and analyze news and macroeconomics. I share my trades and the logic behind my decisions. If you want to understand the market instead of just following signals, join us. The goal is to help you avoid the typical beginner mistakes. The link is in the description under the video. The next tool, and the only one on this list where you don't need to invest anything at all, is Airdrops. Projects pay you in tokens for helping them grow. Subscribe, repost, leave a comment, you get tokens. Sell the tokens, and you've got real money. If you approach this systematically and work with several projects at once, it's realistic to make $200 a month or more. No investment, no risk. How it works on Bybit. Go to Trade, Spot X, Airdrop Hunt. There, you'll see a list of active giveaways with prize pools for each project. Pick one, complete simple tasks, and wait for the rewards. And the last tool, the simplest of them all. You just vote for a project you want to see listed on the exchange. Click the button and wait. If the project wins and launches an airdrop, you automatically receive tokens, just for voting. The prize pool of each vote is from $100,000 in tokens. It's split among everyone who participated. That means anywhere from $5 to $50 per person, depending on the project and the number of voters. No investment, no risk, no extra effort. Where to find it? Go to Trade, Spot X, buy votes. During the voting period, simply choose a project and hit vote. So, 5 tools, and each one really works. Staking, your money works while it sits. copy trading, you earn from someone else's experience. Trading bot buys and sells for you. Airdrops, free tokens, no investment. Buy votes, vote and collect rewards. The crypto market gives you ways to earn even with a small deposit. No experience and no risk of liquidation. The only question is, do you know how to use the tools correctly? By the way, which of these 5 tools did you like the most? Or maybe you're already using some of them? Drop a comment. I'd love to read it. See you in the next video. Subscribe so you don't miss it.